Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the next phylum, Ascalmenthus. First, we saw that in a Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes. Now we are going to see about that in a Ascalmenthus. Ascalmenthus is otherwise called as a roundworm. So, roundworm, that is, it is also worms only, but it is a roundworms. It is a bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical means the body it is have able to the organs inside arranged as in a two equal parts. Likewise, if we cut means it is able to get that in a two equal parts. That is only bilateral symmetrical. Then triploplastic means the body layer it is made up of a three ectoderm, enteroderm, mesoderm. Likewise, the body cavity is a pseudocoelom. Why it is means the body it is pseudo means false, coelom means body cavity. The body cavity is filled within a fluid. Okay, so gap having only it is in a coelom filled with the fluid, so it is called as a pseudocoelom. They exist as free living soil form. That means it is maybe living as in a free, or otherwise it is maybe in a parasite. The body is round and pointed. You see that it is pointed having. Okay, the body is round, it is in a shape. It is unsegmented, the body not having in a segment. Okay, segment means it is divisions. Body is not having in a division. It is covered with a cuticle. Sexes are separate. You see the male and female as in a different. Male it is curved, female it is having as in a uncurved. The most common diseases caused by nematode it is another name for Ascalmenthus. It is causing a disease to humans, that is elephantiasis anecolnoichalolama. Then ascariasis, that is created by the Asteria. Elephantiasis is created by the Wuchereria. The next phylum is Annelida. It is also roundworm, the body having a segments. Among that in a differences, it's not having in a segments, it is having a segments. Okay, it is also bilateral symmetrical, but it is having a true coelom. Okay, this one is a pseudocoelom, but it is a true coelom. Organ system grade of organization. Organ it is arranged as in a segment system wise. Organ systems is arranged. Okay, the body is divided into segments, that is we call the metameres, and it is having a ring like structure we call the annuli. Okay, it is covered by a moist thin cuticle. That is, cuticle means it is a gelatinous like substance never allowed to the water inside. The next one is it is walked by that in a seta or parapodia. Okay, so that is example is a earthworm and leech. Okay, sexes are separated. Sexes are separated, male and female it is having as in a separate, or sometimes it is in a hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite leech is a hermaphrodite. Okay, neer is earthworm, leech, everything it is coming under that in a annelida. The next one is a arthropoda. You see the picture. Artho means jointed legs, poda means legs, so jointed legs. The legs it is having as in a many segments. Okay, it is in a largest phylum in the animal kingdom. It is bilateral symmetrical, equal body arrangement. It is triploplastic, three layers, ectoderm, enteroderm, mesoderm. Likewise, then coelomate animal. Coelomate means the body cavity is there. It is divisible into head, thorax, and abdomen. You see that it is a head, it is a thorax, it is abdomen. Likewise, three parts it is arranged. The thoracic segment bears jointed legs. You see that in a joint legs, the legs it is having as in a jointed manner. Okay. Then each thoracic segment bears jointed legs. Exoskeleton is made up of chitin. Chitin, it is an outer skeleton is there. Exoskeleton means outer skeleton. It is made up of a we are having that in a calcium, so likewise it is made up of a material chitin. Okay, then it is periodical shedding. அதோட outer covering remove பண்ணுற அந்த shedding process name we called as a molding. Okay ma. So its body cavity is filled with a hemolymph. It is likewise in a blood. It does not flow in blood vessels and circulates throughout the body. Okay, so blood it is not running likewise our likewise in a blood vessels. It's in a body only it is circulated. Respiration is done by that in a gills or trachea. Trachea means it is a air tube. Then excretion it is done by that in a Malpighian tubule or green gland. Here sexes are separate. That is in a prawn, crab, cockroach, all the insect, millipede, centipede, spider, scorpion, everything it is having among that in a this group only. Down it is given that in a one of the activity. Identify the following picture of arthropod it is given. Which type of arthropod it is given? The first one it is scorpion. The second one it is a spider. Third one it is a cockroach. Fourth one it is a crab. Fifth one it is a prawn. Everything it is coming having that in a exoskeleton. Okay, so exoskeleton is there. It is having a jointed legs is there. So which type of arthropod it is asking. Okay, so next one centipede it is have meaning is 100 legs, but it is having a only 30 pairs of legs only. Millipedes its meaning is a 1,000 legs, but it is having that in a 100 only. And the next one is a mollusca. Phylum mollusca. Phylum mollusca it is a diversified group of animal in a living in marine, freshwater and terrestrial habit. All that one some animals it lives in a land, some animals lives in a freshwater. So all the places it is able to see that in a molluscan. Body is bilateral symmetrical and soft. The body nature is a soft body animal. Okay, so it is having us in a head, then muscular feet, and then visceral mass. The foot it is in a, used for locomotion. The entire body it is folded inside that in a mantle. The shell like structure that is we called as in a mantle. It is calcareous cell that is made up of calcium. The respiration it is done by that in a gills, that is ctenidia. C is a silent, we want to pronounce as in a ctenidia or lungs. Sexes are separate with the larval stage. Okay, sexes are separate. Sexes are separate means male and female we are able to identify because it arranged in a different animal. Larval stage also it is having. So example is a garden snail, octopus. So all those things it is in a molluscan only. The next one is a echinodermata. In your book it is given as an example starfish and sea urchin likewise. Is exclusively free living in a marine organism. Individual தான் live பண்ணும். So it is a free living. Exclusive means it is present only in a marine. Marine means salt water, sea water and ocean water only it is present. They are triploplastic. Triploplastic means 3-layer arrangement in a skin. Then true coelomate. True coelomate means that is the body having in a true coelom. Okay, body cavity is there. Organ system grade of organization. Then adult animal is radially symmetrical, remaining it is in a bilateral symmetrical. Okay ma. So water vascular system is the speciality of a echinodermata. It is locomoted by the inner 2 feet. The body wall is covered with a spiny hard calcareous fascicles. Okay ma. Example starfish and sea urchin. The final one in a phylum Hemichordata. Hemichordata are marine organism with a soft vermiform and unsegmented body. They are bilateral symmetrical, Vermiform means worm-like structure, body not having in a division, but it is able to identify a head, trunk, and abdomen. Likewise, it is a non-chordate and chordate feature. It having a chordata feature also. Chordata means backbone. If it is present means how it is present. That character also having, and non-chordate also having. They have a gills but do not have notochord. Okay, so notochord means it is a earlier form of that in a backbone. That is only mentioned as a notochord. It is in a ciliary feeder. Ciliary feeder means with a cilia it take a food. Mostly as remain as testicular form. Sorry, tubercular form. It's in a tube-like structure. Example is a Belnoclassus. Belnoclassus, it's commonly we called as an acorn worm. It is having that in a more and more um, economical importance because it is one of the medicine for that in a medical industry.